Let's make my favorite drink, sorrel. So I got some Jamaican sorrel from the Caribbean market. As you know, the only sorrel that I get here is the dry one. I've never gotten the fresh ones, could never find it. So now I'm putting in some ginger in there. I just cut up the ginger and put it in there because that's going to boil up real good. I put in some cinnamon sticks and I put in some bay leaf. These are going to flavor this up so good. I also put in some cloves, which isn't in camera, but I put in like a handful of cloves in there also. You want this to boil up real good, and once that is start boiling, I added in a piece of orange peel. The orange peel also gives it a really nice flavor. I mean, this is a very flavorful drink and I love it. Like, this is, as I said, my favorite drink. I drink it right through the year. I don't just wait for the holidays, and if it's fresh, it's even better. So now adding in the orange peel, and I'm going to let that boil up really good because you want to extract everything out of that sorrel, and the dry sorrel is really strong. So once you do that and it is nice and red, this water looks so red and it's really strong. As I said, it's very concentrated. So once you do that, I add in some brown sugar while it's hot. This is something that I do. I don't know. I feel like it's better this way. So I put in some sugar. Now I could always adjust the sugar when I put in water in it because you have to put water in this to because it's very strong. But for some reason, putting in the sugar at this point works for me. And after putting in the sugar, I will turn off the stove and just let that sit. Just let the sorrel sit for a few, like maybe an hour or so. Once it sits and it cool down, I'm going to strain it out. Now I strained mine twice. So I strained it the first time off camera, and now I'm straining it the second time. So you see how light it looks because I strained it already before. And out of this one pack of sorrel, I got a good, like maybe 2 pitchers out of this. So that's how strong this sorrel is. So this is the point where you're going to add in water and you're going to taste it to see how strong you want it. Some people like their sorrel a little stronger, on the stronger side. I don't like it too strong. So you have to taste it and see how you like it. So I'm adding in some mixed essence, which is optional. This is just something that I like to put in my sorrel and it tastes really good. I also put in some Angostura bitters. I just love the flavors that these bring out in my sorrel. So it's all up to you. You don't have to put this, but you could try it. It's really good. And now this is the point where I'm going to adjust the sugar. So if you like it sweet, you can make it sweet. If you don't, you can, make it however you like it. I don't like it too sweet and I don't like it too bland. So you just have to taste and adjust as you go. So once you adjust your sugar, you mix that up and you adjust your sugar, your sorrel is good to go. You can put it in the fridge to chill, or you can add ice to a glass like I did and just pour it in there and enjoy your nice glass of sorrel with your favorite holiday goodies. I love drinking my sorrel with my black cake and my pastel. So that is what I am going to have with this. I mean, sorrel is the best drink ever. So cheers and Merry Christmas to every single one. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. And I hope you try this sorrel recipe. And always remember, my food is cooked with passion and served with love. God bless. Bye.